The world's most biodiverse region. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical forest on Earth, with the highest density of plant and animal species anywhere. Unparalleled in scale, complexity, and diversity, the Amazon stabilizes key processes that are vital to life on Earth. This impressive region provides essential ecological services, stabilizing the world's rainfall patterns and storing massive amounts of carbon that mitigate climate change. Spanning 9 South American countries and 2.5 million square miles, roughly the size of the 48 contiguous United States, the Amazon represents over half of the world's remaining rainforest. Its moist, tropical vegetation stretches from the Atlantic Ocean in the east to the Andes in the west. Flowing a length of 4,000 miles, it contains the largest number of freshwater fish species in the world. The rainforest is the planet's richest and most varied biological reservoir, containing millions of species of plants, insects, birds, and other forms of life. Running through the north of the rainforest is the Amazon River. One in 10 of the world's known species lives in the Amazon.
Covered with lush green scenes and full of nature, it's a home of millions of living things. About 3,800 species of birds are found there, over 1,300 in the Amazon, 28 of which are endemic to the region. At one site in the Peruvian Amazon, about 575 bird species have been identified within a mere 5,500 hectare section of the rainforest. By comparison, 700 bird species are found in the whole of North America. Most birds live in the dense undercover of the forest. The Amazon has a long history of human settlement. Contrary to popular belief, sizable and sedentary societies of great complexity existed in the Amazon rainforest, Amazon civilization before Columbus. These societies produced pottery, cleared sections of rainforest for agriculture, and managed forests to optimize the distribution. Lemurs are docile, gregarious animals. Some species live in groups of 10 or more. Most of their time is spent in the trees eating fruit, leaves, buds, insects, and small birds and birds' eggs, but diet varies among different species. Some, for example, are mainly insectivorous, whereas others feed almost exclusively on foliage. All breed seasonally, and females may have only one fertile day during the entire year. The toucan is a ubiquitous symbol of the Amazon, instantly recognized by its colorful bill, which is almost the same length as its body. The plumage is equally colorful and includes patches of green, yellow, red, and white. It ranges in size from 31 centimeters to 61 centimeters. They are primarily frugivores, fruit eaters, and prefer the ripest fruits. Toucans pick fruit with their bill and hold it at its tip. Then they tilt their head backwards and gulp the food. Small, hyperactive, and amazingly adapted, hummingbirds are represented by more than 300 species. Hummingbirds give the impression of always being hyperactive. They often look like large insects when seen from afar. Because of the constant availability of at least some nectar and fruit in the rainforest, this has made it possible for several bird groups to focus exclusively on one or both foods. Hummingbirds are the only birds that are nectar feeders, and they are attracted to red, orange, and yellow flowers. Males are territorial, defending favored flowers and nectar-rich plants. When night falls, the danger of hunters arise. Endangered animals and reptiles activate their prey receptors. Amazon comprises the largest and most biodiverse tract of tropical rainforest in the world, with an estimated 390 billion individual trees in about 16,000 species.